Foxtrot, X-ray taxi for 02. Okay, this should be fun. Ready? Let's get out of here.
Alright. Woohoo!
Okay, so just keep looking out to the sides a bit, and we're just accelerating down the runway, and about here we'll go up.
Oh, wow. Oh,
there we go.
That's extreme.
600 feet, turning away, and going out. Okay, Jake, if you put your right hand on the stick there now, you can actually take over.
Okay.
We're just going to continue this right turn out towards the coast. You can see the river over here.
Yeah.
Just follow that river out to sea, okay? So you have control, you have control.
Okay. Woohoo!
Okay. Okay, now smoothly go up, 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 pull up, pull up, pull up. Go, go, go. Up, 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 keep going. Stop there, now quickly left, go, hard left, go, go, go. All the way, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right round, right round, right round, and stop. There you go. How's that? Okay, up, 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 keep going up again, up, up, nice and high, up. And hard right, go, go, go.
Woohoo!
And stop there, good. Okay, and pull up, pull up, pull up, 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 nice and high, up you go. Stop and hard left, 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 go, 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 go.
Wow!
Nice, yeah, nice. And one more, pull up, pull up, pull up. You sure you haven't done this before?
No.
Up, 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 keep going up. Stop, hard right, go, go, go.
Oh, run!
Stop there, nice. Okay, I'll show you how to do a 4-point roll.
Okay.
Okay, up, 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 go up, up, up. Keep going up, nice and high. Up, stop, and go hard right. Go, roll, stop. Roll, 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 stop. Roll, 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 stop. Roll, 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 stop. That's it. Pull up, pull up, pull up, up, up. Okay, and then all we do now is pull up. Here we go. Harder, 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 and stop. So now we're just holding the stick still.
Yep.
And there you go. The airplane's doing a nice smooth loop.
Beautiful.
Over the top.
Beautiful.
And coming down.
Wow. Whoa.
And up again. Woo. How's that?
Oh, it's unbelievable.
That's kind of fun, eh?
Oh, that's alright. Woohoo! Good times, good times.
Okay, you have control. And pull up, pull up, pull up, go. That's it, nice. Hold it still just where it is, that's good. Woo! Looking outside, you can see us, we're going around, we're upside down. There you go, over the top. And pulling up smoothly. Woohoo! Up, 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 up. Woohoo! Again, keep looking outside, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Alright.
Okay, now just for fun, when we get upside down, look straight ahead. There you go. Now ease forward. Push forward a little bit. Stop. That'll do. Now go hard left. Left, left, left. Go, go, go. And stop. And look outside. And do it again. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Go, go, go. Look outside, look outside. Pull up, pull up, pull up. You good? You happy?
I'm excellent.
Keep going then. Over the top. Now look straight. Now ease forward a little bit. And go hard left. Quickly. Go, go, go. Stop. Okay, one more. Look outside. And up again, go, go, go. Once more, up, up, up. All the way up and over the top. And again, when we get inverted, we're going to look straight ahead. Now we're going to ease forward a bit and then go hard left, 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 left. Go, go, go. Woo! And stop there. And just pull up gently. Go up quite high and then stop. Stop there, stop. Now go hard right quickly, get upside down and stop. Keep going. Stop. Now ease forward, ease forward, ease forward. Keep going forward. Woohoo! There you go. And hard left, hard left, hard left. And stop and turn left a bit, pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, 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 up. Now looking straight ahead, stop there, roll hard right and go round twice. Go hard right, harder, 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 harder. Keep going, keep it all the way over there and don't stop. Keep going, keep going. There you go, and stop there, pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, 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 how's that?
Awesome.
Up, 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 keep going, keep going. Stop and go hard left and go round twice. Go harder, all the way until it won't go any further. Keep going, there's one, keep going, don't stop. Woohoo! How's that? Woo! Okay, I have control.